The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that a site where Vikram lander and rover Pragyan landed on the lunar surface will be named as Shiva Shakti Point. Addressing the ISRO scientists in Bengaluru today, Modi further announced that August 23rd will be celebrated as the National Space Day. Another site on the moon where the Chandrayaan-2 lander crash landed will be known as Tiranga Point. Modi described Chandrayaan-3's success as not only a historical occasion when the Indian tricolour was placed on the moon, but also an important development in the history of India, which will inspire and evoke a sense of pride in youngsters to dedicate their life to the future of science and technology.
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर बनाइए और साथ ही जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में भी अपना सिक्का जमाइए। भारत में आपके लिए नई संभावनाओं के द्वार लगातार खुल रहे हैं। 21वीं सदी के इस कालखंड में जो देश साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी में बढ़त बना ले जाएगा, वो देश सबसे आगे बढ़ जाएगा।
The Meghalaya government will soon